realize in a popcorn, see, he's just like a look sissy. Miss Kitty. People in say from the looks of your situation, when you did get married good as you oh your belly have a little oval look. You look the ovalness look like you did catch a one belly. You understand me I say? Look like say you with child. The whole internet have it a run up and down with I say, yo. You look like Miss Kitty with child, you know, you look like Miss Kitty breed. Look like him on there. The first thing me look pan first, you know, congratulations if I say go. Right? First thing me look pan, me I say then I could have feed the old boy. Then the old boy cocky the fire then weird. There is no way. The man where you married, you know, the man grew up. Good grew up. Me I say, yo, there is for your breed, Kitty. You see me I say, yo, I could be wrong. But see, Kitty, if Kitty walk around with one belly, the man a bust it up, wicked in a gut, my friend. Me never did even say, yo, Jesus Christ, because congratulations for your baby, your first child, you mean? Me couldn't believe it. So they said, this is breed, Kitty. How is the blood? Kitty, what you did I do with these blood clot years, man? What was you all these years? All these years, me no one. This is not the fault. That means that you use a choppy bird controller. Because if they look up, because they say whole man juice scratch, you know. All me I hear me I say, yo, whole man juice scratch. Me think say a catch you that I catch you that my friend. Me couldn't believe say the man connecting to your Wi-Fi. Me say, we don't know if it's certain, you know, but that the hunger thing me I look at me I say, kiss me. Then the old boy a fire like a Noah and the earth. You know a big girl up to him 100 and me BOMBAH clan. Me say, wow, old boy. And me say, congratulations to you too, you know. Then I say, come here, say, Al Philip, me didn't even reach over him yet. He hold on and make me a sex tape, you know, then the old boy, them a read. You see me, I say, that boy, they really put up some good wood and a choice. BOMBAH clad Kitty. You don't be married to that one, the Kitty man, a ram out your wall in a man. You can't know, say, the old boy you deal with your powerful round a yard, then. Jesus Christ. Him man a ram out your wall the worst way. You think you did that get way? Congratulations for your oh man. Oh, you surprised me. You surprised me, old boy. This oversized Humpty Dumpty sitting on a wall. Have a great fall. Face look like when you squeeze up bun and cheese together. Look like when you squeeze up bread and blood butter together. And face look like when you squeeze sour sap. Why did this man no come off of the internet? When you come and give the old man will breed Kitty advice for? You just say you don't even give the man advice. Mr. Kitty make one video, I know so because you should make the video. Kitty say girl fi have them own things and girl fi work for them own things and get that. We not fi depend on that boy. Girl with assets, girl go in a relationship with them own. Move your man no want to hear nothing from you. The man did have money for buy way more than 2 plates of food. The man buy way more than 2 plates. The man kill hog and about 12 cow and about 10 goat that the BOMBAH wedding the ram bad food. So you see the 2 plate you come and complain about all the while, then you come and talk about woman and I give the man advice about Kitty. You can't give the man no advice because you ball over to food with your big sour broke self. You broke and stink and all tired. The man know why you're not fry, the man know why you're not likes of you. You is a nobody, boy you come a ball. What you a ball about? Lock your you don't even look good when you're a ball. Don't cry. Don't you ever cry. Your BOMBAH clad face big and swell. Look like how much it be sting you. That mouth and Lord. The man know advice I know nice from you. Your side eye building for quiet. 2 plate of food show you up. 2 plate of food show what a mama man you be. For the how much in years now you still have a 2 plate of see a man take a kitty out and breed kitty right here now. Well, allegedly, breed kitty right here now. I can't wait for you come out say, Mama, push out a nice newborn. You still, man, move on with your life. Boy, you have much in pill because you have nervous breakdown. Shut the bus up, man. Nobody know I hear nothing from you, so like, well, I cloud favor. Do kitty a favor. Go and go hand yourself. Do that. Nobody know I hear you. You big and swatty with your belly. With the bumper clot you feel like, my boy. Eh? You shape like one cucumber. And that's why you don't like it. You shape like one thinking toe. Me don't like your style. You mommy. I don't like you. You come every minute you want people feel sorry for you. Take your pill them and do your man. Take your pill them and do your favor. You and scrupulous bleed. Hey, go on about your business and load the bomb. She married in peace. Leave the woman, man, and go along about your business, man. What? And move your stinking. You don't know how to move on with your. You know you get to jump up on some fence where you know it's some like a weak fence like you know Denny could go call you watermelon boss, then I want put beer melon in your mouth because we know see you like things in your mouth. You see me? You like to jump and look a man like virgin we can't fight and them look weird, you see me? But some real bad man you wouldn't choose to trouble them and all know we not hear you can argue with Coco. You there underneath comment section and clear out everybody them in like a suitcase. And when time mama say you like fellatio and chapstick, all know we don't hear you come say nothing yet. But you jump up on every bad fence. As somebody say your bad mind, you come out, come beat them. But as soon as a girl say you're freaking and your mouth like chimney to blow, you don't have nothing for blow. All the talk where you talk and keep up your antics for internet. We not hear your address Coco yet. So you see until you can address Coco when you hear people clot you on the internet. Now have nothing to say. Go and go argue with Coco and a you've been on your mouth for years now. They just show a video with you all coming at the house there. If you come fellatio. Don't do it. Because you know say you're blinky boy. Easy boy. Mackerel, you're curse. You're curse, mackerel. The day when you come contact about take people, man. Goody. Goody nighty and comfortable. Twist your eye them. Your eye them coming like a rope twist. Alice is if you come out here with this little shit incident. A whole heap of drunk fly down. Me mean swarmy place. Me never see so much junk in all